Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a book named A Cat Named Ben. And after I read the story, we're going to do a writing activity about the book. A Cat Named Ben. I see my friend Ben. Ben is a cat. Hello, Ben, I say. Can you ride with me? Ben says, purr. Will you go up? I say. Ben says, purr. We go up to see Anne. Hello, Ben, says Anne. Here is some food. Ben says, purr. Ben likes his food. Will you go up? I say. Ben says, purr. We go up to see John. Hello, Ben, says John. Here is a toy. Ben says, purr. Ben likes his toy. I say, will you go up? Ben says, purr. We go up to see Kit. Hello, Ben, says Kit. Here is some milk. Ben says, purr. Ben likes his milk. Will you go up? I say. Ben does not say purr. We go down. Ben is tired. Ben wants to sleep. All right, boys and girls. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to draw and write a sentence about the book. But first, Mrs. Hernandez is going to model what I want you to do. Okay? So this is the question I want you to think about. What is something else you could give Ben? Draw a picture of it and write about what Ben could do with it. So I have 3 examples here: a cat, a tennis ball, and a mouse. I'm going to choose a cat. If I were to give Ben something else, I would give him a cat. Okay? And I already drew my cat here, so to save us some time. And I'm going to write a sentence. Okay? I want you to tell me what Ben would do with it. So let's see, what would be a good sentence for me to write? I would give Ben a cat. That would be my first sentence. I would give Ben a cat. So we're going to start with a capital letter. Remember, good writers begin with a capital letter. I. And we know that when I is by itself, it's a capital letter. I, finger space, would. It's a power word. Would. It's a hard word to spell. Would. I would give. Finger space, new word. What do I hear? It's an I. Give. I would give Ben. Ben. I hear a B. Now, what kind of B should I write? It's the name of a cat. What did we say? Someone's name. What kind of letter it began with if it was someone's name? A capital letter. You are right. I would give Ben, so I'm going to write the B in a capital letter because that's the cat's name. B-N. This is an easy word to spell. I would give Ben a, oh, that's my easiest sight word to spell, right? A cat. Ooh, we've spelled that one before. Very good. Now, don't forget your punctuation at the end, okay? I'm going to put a period because I'm just making a statement. I'm not asking a question. I'm not saying the sentence with excitement. I would give Ben a cat. All right. Now remember what Mrs. Hernandez said. I want you to include what would Ben do with the object that you give him. What do you think Ben could do with a cat? Let's see. Well, I think that Ben can play with the cat. That's what I think he would do with it. So that's what I'm going to write. So I'm going to swoop down because I don't have any more room at the ends of the sentence. I'm going to swoop down and start a new sentence. Ben can play with the cat. So Ben, capital B, N, Ben, finger space, new word, can, that's a power word, and play, pl, that's our blend. What letters say pl? P and L, play with, here a W, I. What letters say TH? That's our blend, TH. With, Ben can play with the, we know how to spell the, THE spells the, cat. And I have it right here. I can just copy that again. And I'm going to put a period at the end. All right, let's go back and see if we wrote this correctly, because good writers go back and edit their work and make sure that we've got a capital letter, finger spaces, we have our sight words spelled correctly, and our sentence has a punctuation at the end. So let's go back and check our work. I would give Ben a cat. Ben can play with the cat. I think that looks pretty good. I started with a capital letter. I've got finger spaces between my words. I spelled my power words correctly. And I've got my punctuation at the end. Okay? And also, my letters are nice and neat. I'm not writing messy letters. I'm writing them neatly so you can see what I'm writing. Okay? All right. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. I want you to choose a different object that you would give Ben. A tennis ball or a mouse. Okay? Don't use the cat like I did. Pick something different, right? Because this is the you do now. I want you to pick one of these and you're going to come up with a different sentence. 2 different sentences, okay? And why, what would Ben do with that thing that you gave him? Don't forget to put that in your writing, okay? All right.